I'm going to make a new monster that's half puppy, half monkey, and half baby.
Puppy monkey baby.
Not so fast.
Puppy, monkey, baby.
Stupid Justice League. Everyone thanking them for saving the planet. Well, we saved the dog park from that grumpy cat.
Okay, Honey Badger doesn't care anymore.
I wonder if that grumpy cat came back.
Hello, angels!
Hi, Bosley.
The Legion of Evil's attack on the Milkbone Depository was a diversion. Dr. Gizmoticus made a terrifying new monster that's half puppy, half baby, and half monkey, and it's called Peppy Monkey Baby.
That math is terrifying.
Didn't he do something like this last year?
No, this is completely different. You have to stop it, angels. I fear the Justice League doesn't stand a chance without your help.
We might need some extra help. Ravage to TurboRoo. Ravage to TurboRoo.
TurboRoo here. Hi, Ravage.
Hi. How's my jetpack coming along?
Great. It's almost finished.
Perfect. We're going to need it. Dr. Gizmoticus has made a puppy monkey baby monster.
I've seen the commercial. Terrifying. I'll get the jetpack to you as soon as possible.
Thanks, TurboRoo. I just hope we can stop it.
Wow, TurboRoo can do anything with a 3D printer.
Okay, angels. We have to stop Dr. Gizmoticus.
You're not going anywhere, Ravage. You'll be trapped forever in your precious games. Baby.
No!
Oh no, Ravage! Writer's block again! How are we going to get out?
I don't know. Kirby, we need your help to get out of here.
Uh-oh, this looks like a job for Professor Kirby. It looks like Justin Bieber used some sort of digitizer to transfer you into the game. I can get you out, but it will take a little time.
Hurry, Kirby.
Okay, you need to finish the game and then I can get you out.
This is fun.
Ow! Kirby, we need some help.
This should do it.
That felt weird. That felt really weird.
You'll beat the game in no time now. You missed those coins.
Oh, right.
We made it.
Job. Bringing you back now.
Now we have to stop Dr. Gizmoticus. Ravage's angels have escaped and will be on their way here. Isn't that right, Peppy Monkey Baby?
Puppy monkey baby.
Ew. Don't do that.
Please help us support Indianapolis Humane Society.
Puppy monkey baby.